Here are banking terms. Account, account, account. Deposit, deposit, deposit. Withdrawal, 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 or withdrawal, withdrawal, withdrawal. Transaction, transaction, or transaction, transaction, or transaction, 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 transaction. Balance, balance, balance. Interest, 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 interest. Loan, loan, loan. Credit, 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 credit. Debit, debit, debit. Statement, 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 statement. Mortgage, 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 mortgage. Investment, investment, investment or investment, investment or investment, investment. Automated teller machine, automated teller machine. ATM, automated teller machine, automated teller machine, automated teller machine. Overdraft, overdraft, overdraft. Credit score, credit score, credit score, credit score. Collateral, collateral, collateral. Foreclosure, 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 foreclosure. Fees, fees, fees.